Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, Hair 80, I'm Jennifer Angular, and I talk all things beauty, hair, and real-life stuff we actually deal with. No fluff, just honest girl-to-girl talk. And today we're diving into glueless human hair wigs. Like, what even are they? Are they worth it? And how do you actually wear one without it sliding off mid-day, 'cause that's the nightmare, right? Asterisk. Number one is a game changer, so don't miss number one. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Knott's Glueless Wigs Human Hair. So, quick crash course. A glueless wig is basically a wig you can wear without using glue, gel, tape, or all that sticky mess. And the knots part? That's about how the hair is tied to the lace. This one comes pre-bleached, so the knots look super natural, like it's growing from your scalp. And the lace is HD, which just means, like, it melts in. You don't see that harsh line on your forehead. We love that. Okay, so here's the teethless wig. It's perfect for literally any girl, whether you're a newbie or you've been rocking wigs for years. Onate's glueless, which means no damage to your hairline, no drama. Just pop it on and go. Twite has an elastic band inside and adjustable straps, so it actually stays put. Like, I wore it to brunch, and it did not move. If you want to make it pop even more, here's what I do. Use a little wax stick or edge control at the part to lay it down. Flat iron the top for that. Super sleek look, it makes a huge difference. If you want volume, add a few curls with a wand and boom, you're ready. If you've been nervous to try wigs because of all the glue and complicated installs, this is your sign to try a glueless one. Number 4, Wear and Go Glueless Wigs Human Hair. Okay, so let's break it down. Wear and go just means exactly that. Like, no glue, no spray, no drama. Just pop it on and go. And this one right here, let me show you real quick. It's from Amazon. It's a straight 5x5 HD lace closure wig from Louvme Hair. Pre-plucked, 100% human hair. Glueless, and y'all, it's giving scalp. So here's why I say every girl needs at least one of these in her life. First off, it's low maintenance. You don't need to be a pro to wear it. Perfect for beginners. Second, it's safe. Like, no glue equals no damage to your edges, period. And third, it looks so natural. The hairline is pre-plucked, and the lace is that soft HD type that really melts in. If you've been on the fence about Wigser, you're just over the whole glue-down situation, girl. This is your sign. The wear-and-go life is honestly a game changer. You look put together, you save time, and most importantly, you protect your natural hair. Number 3, Glueless Pre-plucked Hairline with Baby Hair. So this wig I'm wearing or about to show you is from Amazon, from a brand called Thanks You. It's a 13x4 lace front, straight, pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs. And the best part? No glue needed. Like an own. You can literally cut the lace, adjust the band, and you're done. Like, wear it to brunch, the airport, work, whatever. So real quick, just in case you're new to this, glueless means you don't need to glue the lace down for it to stay. It comes with an elastic band inside and combs, so it actually holds without sliding around. And pre-plucked, that's a big one. It means the hairline already looks more natural, like it's not just this harsh line of hair. You don't have to tweeze anything unless you want to. Oh, and the baby hairs? They're already there, so you can swoop them or just leave them soft and natural. I love that part. Wigs should not be this hard, y'all. And this one? It just makes life easier. Like, I don't want to fight with lace every day. So if you're thinking about trying a glueless wig or you're just tired of doing the most, this is your sign. Number 2, Straight Brown Wig Human Hair. So let me put y'all on real quick. This is the Arabella Chocolate Brown straight wig I grabbed off Amazon. Amazon! I'll link it below for you. It's 100% human hair, so you can straighten it, curl it, throw it in a bun, whatever. And that chocolate brown color? Girl, it's soft, it's warm, and it looks so rich in natural light. This is that salon look without the salon bill. Period. Okay, if you're like, wait, what even is a straight brown human hair wig? Here's the tea. Straight just means it's silky and laid-like, no curls, no waves, just that sleek vibe. Brown, we were talking chocolatey, warm tones. Not too dark, not orange, just right. And human hair, that means you can treat it like it's your own. Wash it, flat iron it, dye it if you're feeling bold. If you want that clean, Middle part, look just, press it with a flat iron. If you're into edges, lay a few baby hairs. Me? I keep it soft and simple. You really don't have to do much. That's the magic of a good quality wig. Number 1. Glueless Wigs Human Hair Pre-cut. Okay, so today I'm showing you this mega look chocolate brown glueless wig I got off Amazon. I'll drop the link down below, cause girl. She's that one. It's a pre-cut lace, 100% human hair, and it's glueless. Like no glue, no gel, no meltdown routine, just wear and slay. I didn't even cut the lace. It came ready. And I was like, wait, am I dreaming? Let me break this down real quick, especially if you're new to wigs or just tired of doing too much. Pre-cut means the lace is already trimmed, so no scary scissors near your face, okay? Glueless means no glue, no mess, no sticky forehead situation. It literally sits and stays. And human hair, that's the real deal. You can straighten it, curl it, dye it, whatever you feelin'. So what I love is she's beginner, friendly. Like if you don't know how to lay a wig, no stress. Just toss it on. Maybe lay down 1 or 2 baby hairs if you feel fancy. And go. The lace melts into your skin, and that chocolate brown? It's giving rich auntie vibes. Love that for us. If you liked this video, go ahead and tap that like button. And, if you've got questions or want to know which wigs I actually recommend, drop a comment below. I got you. And don't forget to subscribe, Kaja. We're talking all the real stuff over here. No gatekeeping. All right, babes, take care of your hair, your edges, and yourself. See you in the next one.